guys, it's me, and today is Good Friday, Slab Week, and this coming, not Easter week, but we'll like Easter through next Sunday, but like a week from Easter, I'm going to be starting Slime Week, and I either going to make slime or play with slime. Okay?
Or do some challenges.
Yeah, or do challenges with slime. Because we got a lot of slime laying around the house and we need to get rid of it. Oh, and if Just Jordan 33 is watching this, I actually wrote a paper about you. Yeah, they write someone that we wanted to meet and why. So I wrote it out. I didn't have anyone else. I said for your whole family, Jordan. Okay. Anyways, it's Easter. Like my Easter hat on.
It's not a hat.
Yes, it is. Just kidding. It's not a hat. It's a bowl.
This is nice.
This is also her slime too, but I'm just playing with it. Go get some soap gel and it'll be a lot stretchier. Oh, and if you put like a Sprite or something in it, I tried that yesterday. And it will just like make the dye come off of your hands. It's weird. Go get the color to make a prettier blue. I'm bossing her around, and don't forget to get the soap. And that's my cap.
And it's out.
Yeah, we call them Icy Spicy. Oh, one of our cats are pregnant, and you comment down below some names for the cats. Ready? Slime high five. It's not sticky. This sucks. It's not sticky. Is this one sticky? Nope.
Do you want it sticky?
Kind of. Dude, that's not the right dye. I guess Shaylee is putting some color in her different color. I want to mix it up too. Ready? Let's try. Ready? And
Look how
we find it.
I see it.
Yeah. Oh, it's right here too. So, here, I'll put more in there.
But let me mix this all up.
Here, go and put this in there.
You're messy with paint in this one. She's really messy with paint.
No, I'm not. You are. Okay, I am going to put this slime in this glue, this paint. That's
Glue.
yep.
That's the glue.
Yep, I was. See glue. So I'm gonna see my hands get where I'm held the slime. And
I actually did nothing.
it's so big. And so, want some glue? So you forgot to put this in the refrigerator.
Whoopsies.
It's not actually glue, it's yogurt.
Yeah.
And we can do pranks on each other next.
And we pranked our brother.
Yeah, well I did. He started to be like, no. And this year, it's going to be on April Fool's, sweet. But our family doesn't, like, we do April Fool's sometimes, but we, like, this year we can't do April Fool's because it's on Easter. But that's what my grandma said, but I'm doing it anyways. Whoa.
What? You can't really see yours, but I can.
So look at the different blues. You can.
So see, like, yeah, I have to show that class.
Look at this.
Ah! Woohoo!
Look at that.
Well, Sissy, you have to show the camera this.
Look at that. And I'm dancing. And I'm dancing. Yeah. My dad's asleep, so please be quiet. Shh. Shh. Be quiet. Okay.
Yeah, I'm messing with pigtails, so that's hard now.
Oh, I got it on camera. Oh, shoot.
Susie, no. No. I'm protecting girl.
That was cool. I got it on the camera.
Sorry.
But that was cool. Did y'all see that? That was awesome.
They can't see me.
Julie, why is my kid?
There you go.
Here's the thing. Where's it? Ready? Do that again. Can't see me. That's cool. Y'all should try that.
I think mine would be bigger. 1, 2,
Watch
3.
it. Now pop it.
What?
No, like actually like
Oh.
crunch. Let's crunch this one. Back to me now. I'm the star. Here. Let's try this again.
I'm in. I'm gonna put some more pink. I want it to be like.
Hi guys. Hello. Got it. Yep. Oh, can see you saw me. Yeah, see the daily. No shit up there. Comment down below if you want to see me and prank each other. That's what we're doing next. Ready? Oh, that was huge. I don't want to see it because it's Jaylee and Jaylee has a baby. So, y'all don't gotta see me because I'm not crazy. I'm not gonna slime on my camera. I'll clean it up later. Look. Okay, ready? Let's do it.
I'm gonna try to pet.
For some reason, this baby show's on right now. Baby.
So don't listen to that.
Let's do one.
The stuff. So I'm gonna make it dry and put some.
Dude, watch this. Dude, watch. Okay. That is it for today. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and share.
What about the eggs?
And real video, the eggs next. And well, I'll make sure that we get your coloring eggs today and tomorrow. Okay, bye. Say bye.